In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing or production management. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your production process, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. To get started, we first need to head over to Monday.com. It's important to ensure you've got a stable internet connection so you don't face any interruptions. Once you're on the website, locate the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already familiar with logging in, this step will be a breeze. You'll be directed to the login page where you'll see several options. Look for the Google icon and click on it. This will prompt a new window where you can choose your Google account to log in with. This option is not only convenient but also secure, leveraging Google's authentication protocols. Now that you're logged in, let's set up your management workspace. On the Monday.com interface, there's a plus icon that lets you explore various templates. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to transforming a blank canvas into a structured management tool tailored for manufacturing. Clicking this icon will direct you to the Template Center, an invaluable resource filled with pre-designed templates to kickstart your project. Once in the Template Center, there's a search bar that allows you to find specific templates that suit your needs. For this guide, we'll focus on manufacturing. In the search bar, type manufacture to quickly filter through the vast array of templates. This saves time and gives you options that are directly relevant to your needs. When the results appear, look for the order form template. This specific template is instrumental, especially if your focus includes managing orders efficiently. Clicking on order form will provide you with a preview, offering insights into the template's layout and structure. It's a chance to see if it aligns with your organization's workflow before you finalize the choice. After reviewing the template and ensuring it fits your requirements, the next step is to implement it into your workspace. Find the Use Template button, usually located near the preview, and click on it. By doing this, you're essentially importing the template into your dashboard, ready to be customized to suit your specific production management needs. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to leveraging Monday.com for manufacturing management. From logging in to selecting the perfect template, each step ensures that you are equipped to optimize your production processes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide enables you to manage your production tasks more efficiently.